Snake killer. Get over there where she is, Michael. There's plenty of light. July the 1st, 2006. At Votal.
Hey, you want this? Huh? It's too hot.
Well, you know I said it. Put the marshmallows up. Can I eat the one I roasted? Okay. You know you heard me. After dinner. No wash up, Billy. The meal's gonna be eaten in about 3 minutes.
You all right?
Wash your hands.
Right when the fire got good.